Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So we are doing here the Nifty 50 analysis for Monday, that is 25th. Okay, 25th of January. So once again, let's come back to the daily time frame where this this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is 3, somewhere it is not completed, but this could be the 3 or 4. This is the 4, and next we can move up 5. So I'm not telling this is completed, this is still the question mark over here. On January 8th, if you don't remember, I have published a video on when Nifty crossed 14,350, and I told here that the distribution is happening over here, and after 14,350 fixed, India VIX started rising, and before that India VIX was at somewhere around 14 and 16. Okay, after that it continuously rise, and now it is 22 or 23 for here. So 14,700, I was telling here that somewhere here we could see a fall. Okay, we could see a fall 14,700 or 14,900, we could see a fall. Still it is a question mark. I am not saying that the fall could start suddenly or something like that. See, this is the market reality only. So we have to study the price factorial. Where the fifth move will complete, that nobody knows. Okay, but what we could tell over here is that this is the third up move which is going to finish. Okay, so if this is the third up move, it is going to finish, then Nifty could fall around, see, first it is coming here 13,174, the first fall 13. From here it can reverse back and go to the next bull move. Okay, and that rise could also be very terrific. And if it is not holding this 13,174, and then according to the price action, if we see, this is 12,430 to 12,196, it could fall. Okay, so up to here it could fall. So you could check my video on the day January 8. I published that video, that you could check that one. That also I have told the same thing. Okay, so till then Nifty is hovering over here, so 14,700. now it again came down. Okay, so I am not telling that it will start fall from here, or why I will be telling right now. So I am expecting around somewhere around if this is the ATH, this could touch and this could come or something like that. So we'll study this area. Okay, this area in the 1 hour time frame analysis. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame analysis. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame analysis. So this is the fifth move. Okay, that is the fifth move. Okay, this is 1, 2, and this is 3, this is 4, and this is fifth. Okay, so somewhere here around, if this is the, see, this is 1.68 and this is 2.68. okay, so if this is not third, then this could be the third. Okay, if this is not third, this could be the extended third. Okay, so and this can fall up to what we can check over here. See, this is the third, this can fall up to 13,983. okay, 13,983 it could fall if this is the third up move. Okay, so 13,983. So from the beginning only, from the you can see some couple of videos last 2 days back or 3 days back, I was telling that 14,000 is the great support zone over here. Okay, that was the one reason why I was telling. Okay, so this could be the one of the reason where this area is the main support area, Okay, if the Nifty is breaking this zone, then we could see the fall around up to here. Okay, 13,100. That's what I'm telling from the previously. And so you should see that video why I'm telling also. So right now let's move to the let's move. So what I was telling that if this is the actually see, this is the 1, this is the 2, or this is the 3, or this is the 3. Okay, so we have to check, because this is the 3 and this is the 5th of move is going on. If this is the C, this could be truncated over here, and this could be the one of the all-time high. Okay, this could be the all-time high. So it will go over here. Okay, it will go, and it may not cross this zone, and it will again fall. It will make a zigzag, and it will fall. Okay, so this could be the ATH if it is not crossing this zone. So what I was telling, if it is not crossing this mark, okay, if it is not crossing this one, so there will be no third up move. Okay, why there is not a, see, this is a fall. Okay, this is a ABC elongated zigzag wave, and from here it started again, and this could be the one. Okay, this could be the one, this could be the wave 1. Okay, this could be the wave 1, and from here if it took support from here or here. Okay, this could be the 2, and this could be 3, and 3 can come up to how much? So yesterday only I told actually. So we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait and see if it is crossing or not. If it is crossing this one, then you could be in the bear trend. Okay, so we have to check on Monday what is happening actually. So today also it made a zigzag, and I'm already in the short side actually. So why I was in the short side, if I tell you, I am telling this indicator, this moving average indicator, you should follow this one, and you could take trade along with this one. This is a very good indicator, no other indicator is required. Okay, see, so this one, let me change the color, so let me make my style. Okay, so see, this is a 13 average. See why I told, because see, it came below this moving average, 13 moving average, low moving average. So as soon as it will come again, you should be exit from your long position and take a short position by giving a stop loss over here. Okay, by giving a stop loss over here. So in that case, what would happen? You will follow the trend. Okay, you will follow the trend. So trend is saying that now the zigzag is over, of course. Okay, zigzag is over, and it can move up. Okay, if it is moving over here, and suppose let's say it goes over here, it goes over here. So this one, it goes over here. Then if it is again coming back, suppose this is, what is the reason, what is the one wave 1 start. If it is crossing this 14,200 below, if it is closing, then you can go for a short trend. So bear trend will be on the market, and you could see one by one the support zone will break. And what I am telling is that this zone also is very important. This one, 14 and 13,000, this zone is very important. This one, this zone. Okay, this zone is very important, 13,984 to 853. If this is breaking down, then you can have a put, and you can wait till 13,100. Okay, so if it is not breaking, then you have to see. If this is breaking, then you could move up. Okay, and how much you could move up, the target is already given for you. You could check my video. Okay, so 1.68, 15,200. and from here we can see a decisive fall, or we can see the fractal nature of the price, how if it is again making some short waves and going up. So already I told you that most probably Nifty could extend till 15,200, not more than that. So if you have not seen my video, that also you can check it. So in that case, Nifty could still extend till 14,000, 15,200, and from here you can see a truncated wave. From here only I am seeing a truncated wave, but I am waiting for this level actually to break. Okay, 14,200, if it is breaking 14,200, okay, 14,200 if it is breaking, and then Nifty will be in the most probably in the bear trend. Okay, and you can follow actually what will happen. We have this indicator. So what will happen, that it will go over here, then again it will make a zigzag, and it will fall. Okay, we'll see the counting how it happens, but for time being you should you this one, when at least when it is going over this one, you should exit your short position. Okay, if it is going over this 13 moving average high, you should exit your short position and you should go for the long. Or we could have wait this zone actually 14,753, where if it is crossing, then we could see a target of 14,900 and 15,200. Okay, so this is what I was telling. So yesterday only I told you that this is going to make a wave 2. So if it is not breaking this one, okay, Monday we see if it is breaking this one or not. Okay, that is what I am telling. Please mark the levels, guys, and work on the levels. So we are in a very means the zone which is to be very taking very precautions, strict stop loss you should take. Okay, and take your trade. Okay, so if you want to, okay, so that's it, guys. Goodbye.